Hello children, this is our second chapter of class 8, that is HTML. More on HTML. The chapter's name is More on HTML. Children, we have already started with our ordered list and unordered list, and I have already presented a video on ordered and unordered list. So whenever you have to list the items, अगर किसी भी items को हमें listing करनी है in the form of bullets या one form of definition heading के बाद, तो we go for the listings. Listing in your book, it has been given up of two types. One is your ordered and unordered, which we have discussed, and there is already a video of ordered and unordered list in my channel. And the second is your DL, DD, DT tag. That is your definition list. Now let's have a look at this program. Children, the definition terms on a web page, जो हमारे definitions होते हैं one line के, ये सब जो definitions होते हैं, हम उन्हें कहते हैं defining terms. So here we have to use basically three types of tags: DL, DT, and DD. I have already discussed the basic format or the structure of an HTML document. जैसे HTML पहले लिखते हैं, उसके बाद we write down head. Head के within हम लिखते हैं title. Means head tag consists of title, or head tag contains the title tag. After that comes your body. In the body tag, this time I have not added any attribute. जैसे BG color, text color, nothing I have added. Now comes your DL stands for definition list. DT stands for data term. किस term को हमें explain करना? And DD means data definition. Now, DL, they all are container tags. One thing you remember, they all are container tags. First of all, we have to write down DL. After that, DT. DT को हमें bold करना है, जो भी हम heading लिखेंगे, जैसे हमें square को define करना. We have to define the square, so we are going to write down DT, that is the data term, and we are going to write down B tag. B tag stands for bold. हम square को define करना, square लिखेंगे. हमेशा याद रखना कि like whenever we have to close the they all are container tags. So whenever we have to close the tags, so innermost से closing होगी. जैसे dt के बाद हमने b लिया है, उसके बाद square लिखा है, तो b tag will be closed first, and after that dt will be closed. In some of the books and some of the wherever you read, it has been written in a wrong manner, like b can be closed afterwards. No, dt, after that if you have written b, so b will be closed first, and after that dt will be closed. Next comes your DD. DD stands for your data definition. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. So this definition is of square. I forgot to close the DD tag. So here we have to put the slash, and after that DL will be closed. Next we have to explain the rectangle. Again DL, DT stands for data term. Here children, in the previous square I have used the B tag. Here children, I can use the U tag. U stands for underline. So if I have used the U tag, so I will obviously be closing the U tag also, like this. So DT, U rectangle, U closed means slash is there, and after that DT has been closed. Data definition, rectangle has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal in length. We all know this thing. After that slash DD, and after that DL will be closed, body will be closed, and HTML. Children, whenever we have to save the HTML document, I have told you, first of all, you have to go to the file option. After going to the file option, we have to click at the save as option, and with an extension of whatever the name you have given, there should be an extension of .html. Okay. And you have to create a separate folder, because it will be beneficial for you that whenever you are going to look for the files and other HTML files, so all the files will be saved in a single folder. Here children, I have already saved this one file. Okay, in a specific folder named HTML, I've already saved. Now children, some changes I have made. So what I have to do, if I have to save the file for the second time, then instead of clicking at the file save as, I'll be clicking at file save. So here I have clicked saved. Now I'll go to the file explorer. Here I'll be searching for the HTML folder. Here I've seen the folder. My file name was definition list. So I'll be double clicking on it. And as you can see children, square is written in bold. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Rectangle I have given the tag to be U. है ना? So here rectangle, below rectangle there is an underline. A rectangle has four right angles and opposite sides are equal in length. So I hope this program is clear to you. Basically, what you have to learn is that saving in the file means you have to create a file in a notepad, write down the file, save the file with an extension .html or .htm, and after that create a separate folder apart from drive C, drive D हो, E हो, कोई भी आपके एक specific drive हो, उसमें आप एक folder create करिए by the name of HTML, and there you can save your file with the extension .html or .htm. I hope this listing part is clear to you. Now we are going to jump to our next part, that is creating of a basic table. Okay. Making of a basic table in HTML. Okay. So I've already told you that the basic structure of the HTML document. Here our first HTML head title. Head should be closed, and after that I've opted for the attribute in the body tag, that is body BG color red, and the text I've written to be white. Now table, before creating of a table we have to use the table tag. अगर हम टेबल के बाद बॉर्डर नहीं एडमिट करेंगे या नहीं रिटर्न राइट करेंगे, when children, and we have to mention a specific value for it. अगर हम mention नहीं करेंगे, the table will be there but without the border. Okay, so whatever the table we are constructing, we have to specify table space border equals to, within the double quote we have to mention some value. Caption stands for heading of the table. Caption should always be written after the table tag. Caption, class students have written, and the caption is a container tag. All the tags are container tags. TR stands for table row. First, a row will be constructed. TH. TH stands for table heading or table head. Like whenever we are creating a table, you have always seen that table headings are their name, class, section, like which company or whatever. So here I've used the table tag, that is the TH tag, and all are container tags. TH, I've given the first heading to be name, second heading to be class, third heading to be section, and all the tags are being closed. After closing or writing of the all the TH tags, I'll be closing the first TR. TR stands for table row. एक रो बनी है, उस पे headings दिए गए, रो को हमने close किया. Now comes for feeding of the data. Name कौन सा है, class कौन सा है, section कौन सा है, उसके बाद उसके लिए we have to specify another row. So here I have used the TR tag once again. TR में TD stands for table data. Table head है, heading के according हमें data feed करना. Head है name, तो हमने data feed किया, एक बच्चे का नाम दिया है Saksham, and I have closed the TD tag. He studies in which class? 8th class. He studies in which section? So I have taken it to be B. Okay. So these all are table data. Once I have written all the table data, I will be closing the TR tag. And third, as many records as I want to enter, I'll keep on entering the TR tag. हमने सिर्फ दो record enter किए, एक सक्षम का, एक ललिता का. So I have used 2 times more the TR tag. Okay, if I want to enter more accounts for other students, then I'll keep on writing or including the TR tags. TR tag है, अब है TD. TD में हमने ललिता लिखा. TD में she is in 7th standard and her section is C. And after that I'll be closing the TR tag. After closing of the tags, I'll be closing the table tag, body tag, and HTML tag in a sequential manner. Okay, children. As I have told you, I have written all the things and I have saved my file also. And be very clear about one thing. अगर कहीं पे भी आपने bracket, angular bracket नहीं डाला है, then also the program will not be displayed as a proper web page. So you have to be very clear. I've already saved this file. So for your for your convenience, I'm going to click at file option and clicking at save option. That means because I'm saving it for the second time. Now I'll be opening my file. Here, children, there is an HTML folder here. I'll be clicking. I have saved my file with the name of table.html, and now it has been converted into a HTML file. So I'll be clicking at this one. Now you can see the table. The table has come by default to be in the left hand side. Now, children, if you want to use put some changes in it, so how you can do? Just have a look here. See, I'm sharing the screen again like this way. It has come exactly in the left hand side by default. Okay. By default, it has come to be in the left hand side. Now I want it to be in the center. So here I have to make some changes. So for the changes part, children, see again, I am sharing the screen. So border I have written here, I'll be writing align equals to center. Okay, after that, I'm going to the file option, clicking at save option. Now, again, I'm going to share the file. Refresh button, and now it has come in the center. I hope this program is clear to you. Okay, children. In our new part of this video, I'm going to discuss you about the how to insert an image and how to create a link for inserting an image. That is the using the anchor tag. Okay, thank you, children.